In the last video, we learned how to mirror our design, prep, cut, and weed our iron-on material. In this video, we'll show you how to apply iron-on using either a home iron or Cricut Easy Press, which combines the speed of a heat press and the convenience of an iron. If you're using an iron, use the cotton or linen setting, and make sure steam is off. Prepare your shirt and preheat for about 10 to 15 seconds. Place the design on the shirt and the iron on the design, and using firm pressure, hold it in place for 25 to 30 seconds. Then lift the iron and move it to the next section of the design. Repeat this process until you've covered the entire design. Then flip the shirt over. And repeat the process, making sure you cover the entire design for about 15 seconds in each area. Or, here's an even easier way to get fast, foolproof iron-on results every time with Cricut Easy Press. First, it's key to find a hard, flat surface. Ideally, it's waist-high and heat-resistant, like a craft table or kitchen table. Protect your surface with something like a fluffy cotton bath towel. Just fold it over and smooth it out. First, use the handy reference chart that comes in the box to determine the time and temperature settings for your material. The base material for our t-shirt is cotton, and we're using glitter iron-on. So we'll set the temperature to 340. Now hit the timer button, and we'll set this to 20 seconds, as instructed. The orange light means it's heating up, and when it's green, you're good to go. For awesome results, always preheat your material, just 3 to 5 seconds, to remove wrinkles and moisture. Now position your design exactly where you want it. Apply gentle pressure on the handle, and start the timer with a press of the Cricut C button. When the beep sounds, return Cricut Easy Press to its safety base. Then flip your t-shirt and repeat for about 10 to 15 seconds on the other side. Once your design is cool enough to touch, peel back the clear liner. And look at that excellent work. Just a few more tips. For results that truly last, always wait at least 24 hours before washing, and always wash your iron-on projects inside out. For more Cricut tips, how-tos, and project ideas, join us at youtube.com/officialcricut.